And I'm just going to pour it on top as well. Hi YouTube, Maritza here. So, you might have seen a video of Jessica and Lydi'Ann trying to make, what is it called?
And today we're gonna make some whipped coffee.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me na-na.
Making whipped coffee should be a simple process. First, you start with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. About 2 tablespoons. We'll also need 2 tablespoons of sugar. You also need to boil some water, which I have going here. And now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of the boiled water and I'm going to put it in our instant coffee and sugar mixture and start mixing. Hopefully it works. You can use a fork, but I'm gonna be using it looks like we actually have coffee that is whipped. Yay! We're going to pour some milk in our cup with ice. And now we're going to just gently fold.
If you say fold in one more time.
It says fold it in.
Gently fold our whipped coffee on top. I can't believe it worked! How exciting. This is cool. Now, because I'm a fancy broad, I brought some cocoa powder and I'm just going to pour it on top as well. Cocoa butter. There you have it. Whipped coffee or Dalgona coffee, which is what I've also read online. This is totally intentional. You see the almond milk layer, the layer of coffee, and the nice thick layer of cocoa powder, which we so very much enjoy. Yep, give this a go. There's so much cocoa powder.
Why did you put cocoa powder? She wanted to be fancy.
And there you have it. What do you think? Does this count as a fail or not? I don't know. Anyway, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and catch us next week on Dragon Ball Z to see if we will actually do this the right way. Bye!